Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this meditation, we will be exploring how relaxing the body can help ease the mind. So to begin, take a few moments to find a comfortable seated position. Whether on a chair, a bench, or the floor, straighten the back as is comfortable, ensuring that the neck is aligned with the spine. Let your shoulders relax and your hands rest wherever they are comfortable. Close your eyes if you've not yet done so, and we'll just take a couple of minutes now to settle into this practice. Begin by noting your connection to the earth beneath you. Observe each square inch of your body that is in contact with the surface underneath you. And now, expand your awareness to consider the air that touches your skin. Notice if there is any sensation of the air being cool or warm, still, or a soft breeze. And then notice the movement of air as it enters and exits your body. Follow its path as it flows in through your nostrils, filling your lungs, and as it flows back out. Soften your shoulders and your belly to see if the breath might naturally reach a bit deeper now. You do not need to force it. Simply observe whether gentle relaxation might assist your breath's flow. If you notice at any point during this meditation that your mind begins to wander, know that this is entirely natural. When you observe this occurring, gently and compassionately invite your attention back to the breath or to the body. Take just a few more silent moments now to ground your awareness by observing the breath. And soon we will begin a deeper exploration of how we can ease the mind by consciously relaxing the body. Norman Vincent Peale is quoted as having said, "Learn to relax. Your body is precious as it houses your mind and spirit. Inner peace begins with a relaxed body." So often when we feel stressed, we turn towards the mind for answers, or to the problems contributing to the experience of unease. However, when we become more mindful of the body, we realize it can be harnessed as a tool to promote a sense of mental and emotional relaxation. Since the mind and body are integral to one another, what we do with the mind has a large effect on the body, and what we do with the body impacts the mind. So by consciously inviting the body to relax where it feels safe and comfortable to do so, we promote a sense of letting go, of surrendering some of the physical and mental tension we are carrying. We can do this through a simple body scan practice, beginning at either the toes or the crown and moving towards the opposite end of the body. As we pass each area, we are invited to simply witness and relax whatever tension might be present. It should be noted that sometimes this can be challenging for people, so ensure you are practicing patience and compassion as you go through this. For those with trauma, it might be best to do this body-based practice alongside an experienced practitioner. Now, if you are ready to explore a simple body scan and relaxation practice, take a moment to come back into the body through 3 long and steady breaths. And after your third exhalation, draw your attention to the crown of your head. Witness this part of your body and see if you might invite an energetic relaxation to it. Repeat in the same way with the forehead, the cheeks and jaw, your tongue, the throat and shoulders, and your arms all the way down to your fingertips. Next, witness your upper chest and back. And slowly allow the entire abdomen to soften as you scan the length of your spine into your belly. Soften your stomach when you arrive there, letting it rise and fall naturally with each breath. Witness and relax your hips and your pelvis now. And then repeat in the same way along the lengths of your legs, all the way to your toes. When you've scanned the entire body, just take a moment to notice if there are any parts of you requiring a little extra love, care, and attention. You might send these areas some silent words of nourishment. Come back to your breath now for a couple more cycles, minding its gentle and graceful ebb and flow. And notice now the earth or seat beneath you. Bring some light movement into your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes to the world. I hope you enjoyed today's practice. See you again.